attention? Are you playing with those toys?
You want a cookie?
Hey!
Mom can come here with a cookie?
I already told him no. He already had one.
Oh, sorry, but
Do you have the hiccups? You have the hiccups, little guy. Get those toys. Get those toys. There you go. Good job. That's a giraffe, hon. You gonna get the giraffe?
you're a butthead.